Okay, we're gonna try using the Kuppet mini washing machine, 26 pounds. All right, we're gonna try washing a twin bed sheet and pillowcase. All right. Go ahead and put the pillow, go ahead and put it in. All right, see how big it is in there. After that, there's still all kinds of room. All right, you wanna go ahead and put some, a little bit, just a tiny bit on there. And then we're gonna add the water to the fill line. There is a fill line for one, small, medium, and large. We're just gonna squirt just a little bit in there. It's kind of high. There we go. Couldn't see it. All right, we're gonna turn on the water. It is kind of leaky, not a real sturdy hose. Use their clamp. It's supposed to be filling up. I don't know where it's filling up at.
Should be looking on the floor.
He's using the one on the right side instead of the one on the left side. So hopefully it's filling up on...
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Yep, it's leaking everywhere. So it's going all over the floor, out the side, because we probably turned the drain on. Okay, part 2. Yep, now we're filling it. So what happened was the hose was laying on the floor, but now that it's picked up,
It's hooked.
yeah. So not gravity falling out, but this one comes with the semiotic pump.
Turn on the hot water.
Hot one? Oh, that's right. Hot water would be good. Let's try some hot water. See what it feels like. But I've got this
Takes a while for it to
all the
get
way
hot.
up. It's partially up. It's barely coming out. That's not bad. But it is a standard nozzle. But there is a lot of room in there. You can see the bottom. Being it's such a small
If you'd like,
load.
I could throw your towel in there.
No, I'd rather for our first load just do the small one just to be sure we're okay and no more leaks. Actually, I think I'm standing in a little bit of water. This is the one that comes with the little bit longer hoses. There were complaints with the earlier models.
And this isn't very
No, it's not long, and I know they sell the extenders, but
long. And
this
the
isn't.
electrical cord isn't very long.
Yeah, I can't remember how long it said the cord is. That's
It's
like
like
4
6
feet?
feet.
6 feet? 6 feet. Okay. That doesn't look like 6 feet.
Well,
I'm 5 feet, and that's shorter than me. So that's can't be that long. But since it's got the 26-pound capacity, but since our shower is so tall, 2 feet, 18 inches,
Yeah.
we decided not to lift it into the shower. We're going to go ahead and just let it run into the bathroom when we're done.
Toilet.
Sorry, toilet. Okay, so how much water do you think it needs? Since it's small, and for the small it says to put it down here. Oh, that's some warm water.
Probably.
We're pretty close. See the, right here, for low.
Yeah.
Just go to there and then stop.
Yeah.
Okay. I could probably throw in the hand pump.
So we can throw in your towel if you want.
Nah. Oh, that's such a heavy.
That's the whole purpose of it, isn't it?
We're still doing okay over here. We do have some dripping. So it was in the shower. I've heard we can fill it up with the shower head. Okay, we're just about there. And then we'll do a gentle. We definitely don't need the full 15 minutes. It's got a 15-minute
Let it run for 10.
wash.
Let it run for 10 minutes.
So we'll do people do either usually the 3 or the 6. The heavier is for the 9, 12, or 15. And the same with the type of wash, normal or gentle. Okay, we turn off the water. He's gonna close the lid. Sounds like we scared the dog. And turn it down. That's interesting. Oh, then it goes the opposite way. So here, I guess I should do a little peek. You can see how it washes, how aggressive it is. That's pretty good for the little soap. I used some gel soap that we picked up in Paris while we were on vacation. All right. We'll come back after that is finished in 6 minutes. Okay, now it turned off. Water in there. I'm going to turn it to, to drain. And it should be coming out. We hooked it up to the toilet. It's coming out pretty good. Wow. No, it mentioned in the directions, it mentioned push down, no, to push down on your clothes.
Oh, but we're going to rinse it anyway.
But get the extra water out to push down on them.
Oh.
See the dirty water in there.
Okay, turn it off. Or get ready to turn it off.
There's still a lot of water in there, look.
Okay. Right. I was just wondering, how does it know when not to pump, or do you have to just keep an eye on it?
I don't know. And I definitely see a little bit of soap on there. Definitely needs another drain. I'm getting ready to turn it back. That looks like it's not coming out. Oh, it is. It is coming out a little.
Coming out in
okay, it's
little bits.
getting closer. Okay, it's getting pretty close. All right.
Close your lid.
Oh, close this thing down because this won't run either.
Don't
All
let
right.
that do that.
Now, fill
Put that back.
Go ahead, turn it on.
Don't use hot water.
Rinse it off with cool water?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
and we're gonna wash it off one more time. Just putting in a little bit. Oh, right. Hook your hose back up so it won't drain out. Putting your hose back on the hook so the gravity won't force it out. I don't think we need to have as much water in, do you?
well, we just gotta have more than that. All depends on how sensitive you are to your stuff.
Checking to see if it was all twisted up, but not so much. Somebody complained about their clothes being twisted up, so I was just checking, but it's really not that bad. You can always buy that. There's an extension that covers it better, but this isn't that bad. Just a little bit of water dripping out. Alright, we'll do a rinse and then we'll be back. Okay, so now we just did a second wash and we are ready for the drain, second drain, to wash it out. There we go. Coming out nicely. Oh, sorry. Boy, there we go. Let's see how good it drains. Sounds like a decent motor for the draining.
You just have to make sure that you turn it off.
Right, don't burn it out.
Yeah, I mean,
So then when it gets...
just wait till it's all sucked out and then turn it off.
Okay. And then wouldn't the gravity do the rest though if it was...
Well, what you'll do is we'll go ahead and do that, then turn it off.
Okay.
And you can turn it off now.
All right, because I can see it's out of there. My hands
Just
are
for
kind
now.
of all right.
And
then it said to like squish out.
right. I
And
was
the
gonna
extra
say,
water.
you could either
Oh.
squish out or you could let it just sit there and drain out for
Okay.
5 minutes. But
Then you take this out. Oh, and I see a few spots of water that may have been from us. And I'm gonna pick this up, put it in there. And I'm gonna squeeze it just because I don't like all that. Because it's sitting down there in that leftover water. My own fault. And then this is half the size of
okay,
that.
so now before
So
you turn
this,
that on,
this holds, hold on, this holds, I gotta go back and check, I think it's 18 pounds, and this holds like 8 or something, and then you're supposed to push this down all the way. All right, Matt has words of wisdom. Yes, Matt.
so before you turn that on, go ahead and turn your drain back on.
Okay, so that way you
Go
can drain
ahead and
it.
just finish draining this out.
Okay, I'm not allowed to spin until you're finished draining.
You can't, I'm just saying, might as well fit.
Can't, it's not allowed in the directions, so.
Right. That's
All
just saying
right, so
we're
Matt would like to finish draining before I spin.
still draining out, quite a bit of water.
Yeah, so we probably should have done that before we moved it over.
Well, that's going to drain it anyway.
Okay. All right. We'll finish that afterwards. All right. Now, my understanding is 3 minutes should be enough.
Water's coming out.
It was a little noisy at first, and now it is very quieted down. Very quiet.
Sounds like it's moving.
Yeah, it is spinning very quickly, and look at all the water coming out.
So the pump is still pumping.
Yeah, yep. Pump is still going.
That's good. I guess it's meant to run.
We left it on the styrofoam, so it's not flat on the ground, but it looks pretty good. And you can't leave this open and spin at the same time, so we can't see what it's doing in there. But we'll come back in a few minutes and see how it's done. Okay, it is shutting down. Okay, wait for it to stop. I can see it's still spinning. Goes back up. Ooh, a little wobbly. Look at this. Not
Oh,
bad.
that's pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, same with that. That's not bad at all. I'm actually pretty impressed. This is just like our washing machine. Our big washing machine.
I mean, that's
Because we
actually
bought this to
fluffy
go
all
for our camper. Wow. And you can hang dry or
put it in your washer.
or
Or
dryer, which
Put it in
we
your dryer.
in your dryer, and or they also make a dryer as well. Okay. Well, do they smell nice? Does it smell like I think I bought.
I think this is odor free.
Yeah, I did. I bought it because I have sensitive skin, so that actually won't help anything. But anyway, I would say I'd give it an A+. It worked great.
So far.
Yep. So thanks for watching.